So now we're going to have a look at the permission matrix, and essentially this is a way of segmenting your data for export later on. So at the moment we have an empty dashboard, but that's going to change in a moment. We're going to go to our search page and we're going to find a contact. At the moment they're all verified, and we're going to go into this one here and go to the permission matrix option. So here you'll see a variety of different items that can be selected. We start off here with options. Now this is totally customized depending on what you want, so yours may look very different than this. But the first column here is options. So at the moment we're saying that we'd like to segment these items out for contacting people. So our services is separate from our products and then separate from our events. And the contact options for each of these segments are here, so we can either contact them by email, post, phone or text. Now this again can be customized, so you can have whatever you like here. Then we've got something at the end here called type, and at the moment we've got prospects and we've got customers. That's just how we like to segregate our people. The actual contacts don't know this. This is just for your information, and this can help you categorize your people later on for export. So if we go into the edit details, we can actually edit the permission matrix from here. So we can see all the options, and we can select or unselect items. We can also select the types here. Whatever changes we make here then need to be verified by the contact. So we'll go back to the dashboard, and now we'll see that contact has been added here as an unsent record. So this unsent record should now be verified by email or by letter to that contact before we do anything else with the information. Now the reason for segmenting is later on when we get to exporting our information. We'll see down here we've got permission matrix filters on our export. So the contact options that we've got selected are shown here. The segments of our products and services are here, and the contact types, customer or prospect. Of course this is all totally customized for you, so whatever you have set up will show here. And this will help you extract verified data later on from the system.